Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm pretty excited to show you guys how I use my iPhone 11 Pro Max as a remote control. As you can see, I used my iPhone 11 Pro Max to remote my TV as well as the air conditioner. As a remote control, I can use it to adjust the channel as well as the value. At the same time, when remoting the air conditioner, I can also adjust the temperature, the speed, as well as the mode of the air conditioner. So now I can't wait to show you guys exactly how I did this. Okay, so this is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and in order to do this, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to buy the audio jack dongle. This one. Yeah, this is the audio jack dongle. You can see that, because as you know, the iPhone 11 Pro or 11 or whatever, there is no audio jack port. Okay, so audio jack port is no longer exist on these iPhone. So if you're using older devices, the devices that have the audio jack port, you don't have to buy this separately. Okay, and for your information, these cost $15. This is the original one from Apple. If you buy the one made from China, it's not gonna work. Okay, so just for your information, make sure that you buy the original one from Apple. So buy this one. Second of all, what you have to buy is okay, so you have to buy this one, the tiny one here. This is called infrared blaster. Okay, this is made for iOS devices. I have tested this one on the Android. It does not work, and this one costs probably $3 or $5 or $10 at most, but I bought this like $5. Only $5 you can transform your phone into a remote control. And this is really helpful, you know, because when you go to work or you go to school, you know, remote control is almost everywhere that you cannot find. Okay, where every time that you want to use, so you cannot find it. It's quite annoying and frustrating. So having this with you will help you a lot. After having all of these, okay, this and this, you need to download one application on the iPhone or iPad. So the application is called Fingertip. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the application. Yeah, it's called Fingertip. Okay guys, so after you download the app, it's time for you to plug this one into your phone. And again, if you're using older devices, you don't have to buy this audio dongle. So plug it in. What you have to do is to pay attention to notification from the app. If you don't see anything like this, it means that this device, the IO blaster, is not connected properly. So what you have to do is to rotate the IO blaster. So let me rotate it. You see that? So what you can see is connect accessory. So now you can use it. Okay, if you look at the app, you can see more button to control over my air conditioner. Okay, and you can also add more devices. If you go to add remote, you can see a bunch of electronic devices that you can use with TV, air conditioner, AMP, fan, DVD player, VRC, and others, and projectors as well. That's all for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider doing so, because I have lots of videos to share with you guys in the future as well. Okay, hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.